Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good, they're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Sapil. Brand Sapil is a subsidiary of the House of Swiss Arabian. House of Swiss Arabian is one of the most famous perfume houses from United Arab Emirates. They've been around for a very long time, and the ratio for what I pay and what I get from them are amazing. This line, Sapil line, there are so many of them in this line, probably about 50 or so, maybe, mixture of ladies and men. And I unboxed and reviewed numerous of their fragrances before, and vast majority of them were very impressive, especially for a price. This lineup is on the more affordable, more reasonable price from the Swiss Arabian house, because the Swiss Arabian house, they have very expensive fragrances, and they have quite a reasonable price fragrances as well. So this one in particular came out, I think, last year or a few months ago. And this one is called Sapil Legend. Sapil Legend is Eau de Perfume 100 ml. In United Kingdom, you can find it under £30. It's quite readily available. You just Google it, it will come up in your country, in your area. Google it, see if you are interested, see if it's available and how much it goes for. So before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. This is a two-way, hopefully it's a two-way avenue. I do my bit, you do your bit. Your bit is much easier, it's just a movement of a finger, but it means a lot to me. It means you supporting me, you like what I do, you want me to carry on with this endeavor, because don't forget, this endeavor is very expensive, and many reviewers stopped reviewing fragrances because of that, because eventually it will catch up with you and you cannot do it anymore. So if you want me to carry on, please just use your finger, hit those buttons. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your shares, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscription, which is free, by the way. And there are around 85% of people who watch my videos are unsubscribed, which is a very disappointing and very heartbreaking for me. So please, if you like what I do, please hit those buttons, and this way you encourage me to carry on with this endeavor. If you want to purchase one of my own perfume, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I leave them in the link as well. They are out of this world, super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. I'm the artist, I'm the worker, I'm the creator, I'm the perfumer, so there's nobody else is involved. And I bring one of the best ingredients in the world, yes, from my country, Iran, Persia, and that's why they call the scent of Persia. And we've been making perfumes for more than 5,000 years, for we know a few things about perfumes. I leave them in the link. If you want to invite me to a coffee, I will appreciate that very much as well. You can do that in the link as well. Thank you very much, and let's go. And without further ado, sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. So as always, for the price, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink with Middle Eastern brands, and that's the appeal of them. It's not like the European companies where for the price in the European countries you have to, come on Sapil, come on, oh, come on, this is ridiculous. Wow, look at the bottle. Bottle is gorgeous. It's okay. Anyway, the bottle is very good looking, it's very heavy, it's got this effect of the glass and the chrome, like plastic effect, but it's like a metal effect to it. It's very reflective. Obviously it's a magnet for fingerprints, but it looks very nice on the eye, it looks very nice in the hand. And on top we have this logo of Swiss Sapil, and it comes up like this, and the atomizer is modern and very nice overall. Very satisfactory in terms of the price ratio for what you get, what you pay in terms of presentation. And here we go with the atomizer. The atomizer is not bad. It's a little bit on the pathetic side, but it does the job. Okay, so how is the... Oh, it's filling the room, guys. Whoa, smells great. Wow, smells gorgeous. All right, here we go. First impression, Sapil Legend. Here we go. OMG, this is gorgeous. Guys, first thing it hits me is the citruses. And the citruses in here is orange, especially bitter orange. So let's about bitter orange, grapefruit, lemon, and also let's about bergamot. So it's a mixture of citruses, and that makes it very happy, very bright, very uplifting, very captivating, especially for this time of year, which is summer. So this is very, very good for summer. It's pepper to it. It's peppery. It's spicy, and in the base we have the vetiver. So you can tell where it's going. Smells like Terre de Hermes, or at least for this first impression, first sniff. So Terre de Hermes for under £30, and it's just beautiful. It opens like a beautiful perfume, no harshness, no chemical, no alcohol, none of those. So beautifully opened, and opened straight to the perfume, and it smells very similar to Terre de Hermes, and smells quality wise similar to Terre de Hermes, which is crazy. Terre de Hermes is about £100 for 100 ml. This is under £30. You do the math. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Yeah, I smell cedar and sandalwood combination. The base is very woody, and the vetiver in here is a hint of dirtiness to the vetiver, but not much, just a hint of it in here. But it's quite green, it's quite leafy, it's quite grassy. The vetiver is here, as I said, just a hint of dirtiness to it, but not too much. Overall, it's quite friendly to my nose. And there's a sweetness coming from something like vanilla in here, just a hint of it, not too much. There's a patchouli plus the vetiver combination to making it a little bit on the chocolatey side as well, but not too much. Again, a hint of it. But what you get majority is Terre de Hermes. Okay, so I would say for the first impression, around 80 to 90% Terre de Hermes. The rest of it is just a hint of its own signature or its own DNA, if you like. So for first impression, yes. If you like Terre de Hermes, which I love Terre de Hermes, I adore it, for this price is a bargain. The only thing is you have to wait and see the performance. If the performance is anything good, then we have a big basically a hidden gem on our hand. What a beauty. This is aimed for men, and it smells like Terre de Hermes, but if you're a lady and you like this kind of fragrances, you can easily wear it. In terms of occasion, this is very nice. So it's nice for going out, evening, a special occasion, for formal occasion and things like that. In terms of age, I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side, because Terre de Hermes itself is a little bit on the polarizing. Many people love it, many people can't stand it. So it is one of those either love it or hate it fragrance, which always represent a great fragrance. Great fragrances which are not safe, they always, or at least majority of the time, they do that. They polarize, they either love or hate. And this beauty is doing that. It's one of those perfume fragrances that either you love it or you can't stand it. So you need to know which camp you're into. In terms of season, this is very versatile. You can use it in summer, in winter. In summer less sprays, in winter more sprays. Right now there are 3 sprays which are like half sprays, and it's filling the room, so it looks like it's going to be long lasting. In terms of the what else, yeah, so in the next video I'll let you know the development, the longevity, the things like that. But for first impression, yes, no brainer to me. Absolutely gorgeous, very nice, very beautiful. As I said, nice quality to it, and nice perfumery in here. For the price, they're doing a great job. Oh goodness me, what a gorgeous fragrance. That pepper is like a mixture of black pepper and white pepper, which is a little bit on the unusual side, but it's giving it that beautiful, sparkly, champagne feel in the beginning. So at the moment it looks, it smells like or feels like a champagne. It's very, very fizzy, and that bitter orange is dominated, plus grapefruit and lemon and bergamot, which is making it very, very citrusy. So for the first impression, yes, 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 absolutely loving it. And let me see how it goes in the next video. I'll let you know the rest of it. So guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems, and this one looks like it's going to be a hidden gem. If you want to purchase one of my own perfume and support me that way and get something very, very beautiful in return, you could do that. I'll leave them in the link, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to do so. They're out of this world, super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, very artistic, very unique, very mysterious fragrances. There are 20 of them in my lineup. They're all unique, different from each other, and they are very, very unique from whatever you see in the market. You cannot find them anywhere because they don't dare to make perfumes like this anymore. But I do, because I'm an individual. I have a big passion for perfumes and I can do that. Okay guys, I'll leave them in the link. Thank you very much as always, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.